YouTube, being one of the most used social media sharing platforms, is easily one of the best opportunities to make money. Yes, you heard right. Now you might wonder, wouldn't you lose your precious anonymity and privacy? A lot of us budding influencers might love to work behind the screen without having to reveal themselves. This is exactly what we're about to get into today. Let's get into the details about how one can make faceless YouTube videos and earn as much as up to $30,000 per month. Before we get to the tutorial, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for more clever hustles. The most important thing one must have to begin a successful faceless YouTube channel is content. Since there is no face to reveal, there has to be catchy and engaging content to attract people's attention. Selecting the right niche for your channel is one of the first steps to take to a profitable YouTube channel. Alright, let's first take a look at all the different topics and niches that a content creator can work with and present. But before that, there's something that all of us influencers have to keep in mind. There are certain important points, two to be precise, that one must take note of for their faceless YouTube channel. We're talking about revenues. Yes, both ad and affiliate revenues are very important to keep the video profitable. With proper revenue, if the main content of the video does not hit the mark, the ads will always bring at least a certain amount of profit to it. Sponsored videos can also be a great way to keep the money coming, but sponsors are certainly a tougher fish to catch unless you already have a certain amount of influence on the platform. One very common mistake wannabe YouTubers make is starting with random topics that come to mind. Though there may be a very small percentage of these YouTubers who become successful out of the blue, those are only very exceptional cases. What usually happens when people start faceless videos is people choosing random topics only to find out that the odds of making a success out of it are close to zero. But we're here to tell you how things can be done in a different and better way. For those completely unfamiliar with making videos, the whole concept might seem like a huge mountain to overcome, and you might assume you don't have the skill or material for it. But we're here to tell you that you do not even need to be an expert at this. And thanks to our modern lives, there are a million tools at our service that can help with the making of faceless videos. ChatGPT is one of those amazing tools that can make creating content and videos an absolute piece of cake. Coming back to selecting niches, the business niche is easily the best one to gain the attention of netizens. Everyone wants to be rich, and everyone is always looking for some guru or some guide to get them through their financial battles and achieve wealth. But that isn't the only reason it's one of the best niches. This niche also has a very good chance of monetization. All the smart ones prep themselves with a backup plan in case plan A doesn't work out. This applies here as well. Along with a properly selected niche, you're going to need a sub-niche, which we will be getting to after we finish discussing some of our main niches. For the main content of the Faceless channel, some of the best ones include e-commerce and even dropshipping, as the crowd has taken a good interest in both of these niches. With that, there are a lot of opportunities to make money. Other niches include affiliate marketing, or even just basic videos on how one can become wealthy while making money online. Trading is also something that interests a majority of investors and sometimes even just curious netizens as well. A representative video of the various strategies to become knowledgeable in finance is sure to have people hooked onto the channel. Coming to our second plan. Now that you've got your main content ideas ready, it's time for sub-niches. All you have to do is pick one that you see potential in, and more importantly, it should be a sub-niche that you genuinely have some interest in. Picking something that you have an interest in is sure to reduce some of the workload, as you won't have to do research from scratch while making these videos, as you already have a bit of an idea on the topic. Coming to the actual creation part of the video, every YouTube video should belong to a channel, and every channel should have its very own eye-catching and intriguing name. It could be something very simple. The name does not have to be some complex, overly thought-out title. Just something unique to yourself that represents your channel. You could even resort to ChatGPT to come up with names for your channel. With the right prompts, you will have a perfect name ready for your channel. Your channel is also going to need a banner and picture to represent it. This is where Canva comes into play. Canva is an excellent tool that can be used to generate a profile picture as well as a banner for your channel. If you're wondering what Canva is, It's nothing but software equipped with all the requirements to better the representation of your channel. What makes it even better is that it's free. It has several free templates that are accessible to anyone. To get familiar with using Canva, all you need to do is look up a simple tutorial on YouTube, and that's all the help you'll need to use this simple and incredibly valuable app. We can assure you that even if you start from scratch, Canva can guarantee to get it done in under 30 minutes. There are two main points to be considered while managing your Faceless YouTube channel. The first one is you must keep track of when your videos get watched the most. This way you can get a general idea of when it is the best time to be posting your videos so that they reach several people. The next thing you have to keep track of is the number of people who are interested enough to click through your video. Once those two factors are taken care of, you must work at promoting your videos in the best way possible. Doing market research helps in wondrous ways in this case. By market research, we mean you must find other channels that have content similar to that which you present and take note of them. There is a good chance that these channels that pop up first are the ones that are being profited the most for that particular niche. It also wouldn't hurt to watch some of these videos and watch the ones recommended after to gain more knowledge of the concept. Model what's working. Once you have found big changes in your niche, look at their videos and see how they structure them. See how their thumbnails and titles look like. With this, you'll learn more about how to create good videos than I could ever teach you here. Once that is taken care of, an influencer will always need to stay on his feet to keep people watching. In simpler words, this means that the number of views should be kept track of, and one must keep trying to attract more views too. For this, you're going to have to pay attention to the number of subscribers. The more the subscribers, the more the views. It's about as simple as that. Ranking on keywords is another smart way to keep the views coming. The vidIQ tool is a tool that costs absolutely nothing, but could help with ranking keywords to gain more views. Just like we mentioned earlier, there are plenty of tools at your dispense to make a perfect channel of faceless YouTube videos. Now, once you've become a successful YouTuber, you might have the privilege of getting your videos outsourced. That is, having others make them for you. While you can always make the videos yourself, outsourcing is just another means of getting the job done. It's always best to make the videos yourself in cases where you have just started, or they could always be assigned to other qualified freelancers for a suitable payment. The choice is yours. However, outsourcing is only worth it if you've reached a considerable amount of success, as talent does not come free. If you want your videos outsourced by a skilled video editor, it is sure to cost you at least $100 to $200 for each video, and can even extend beyond that. While at the same time, making videos is something you can do without having to pay that price, but with just a little effort from your side. Here you get to keep the whole profit to yourself. Start small, with not more than 2 videos a week till you get the hang of it. It wouldn't be too much of a task to do voiceovers, and they can even be done through your smartphone. Canva is a great tool even in this case, as it very effortlessly edits videos to perfection. And finally, you will need to monetize your video. Once you've accomplished 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your videos with either ads or affiliate marketing. That is just about everything you need to know to make a proper faceless YouTube channel succeed. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and begin. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Now you know how to make videos while being anonymous. Do you know that starting an online business can be anonymous as well? Find out how I started a comic book business and made a lot of money in this video.